Tonight's the night. Your yard may be filled with ghosts and goblins. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll make sure the things that go bump in the night don't bump into the wrong things right after this. Are you tired of cleaning your shower? Let Wet and Forget Shower clean it for you. Wet and Forget is the quickest, easiest way to keep your shower sparkling clean. Just spray the shower top to bottom and you're done. The next morning, simply rinse it clean. That's it. Use Wet and Forget Shower once a week to tackle soap scum, shower grime, mold, and mildew stains. No scrubbing, no bleach, and no harsh fumes. Don't waste time scrubbing your shower. Pick up a bottle of Wet and Forget Shower at the Home Depot or Lowe's. Visit wetandforget.com for a store near you. Halloween can be a fun night for kids and adults alike, especially if you go all out and create a spooky yard for trick-or-treaters to enjoy. But make sure you haunt the yard safely. Keep walkways far enough away from decorations to avoid any tripping hazard. This also helps protect your creative designs from possible damage. If you make jack-o'-lanterns, consider using battery-powered light sources inside instead of candles. An open flame can spell disaster. Speaking of light sources, be sure the path through the yard and to the door is properly lit. Low-voltage landscape lights or a pathway created by rope lights can still keep the eerie mood while providing clear vision for the kids. Have fun, stay safe, and happy Halloween. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.